We're taking these MCM End Tables from meh to marvelous in the simplest way possible. This project is perfect if you're all about quick and stress-free makeovers. Laminate or wood, it works on both. One came from Deseret Industries and the other came from Goodwill a few weeks later, and while they weren't identical, they're both Mersman tables that match well enough to make a cute little pair. We always remove the hardware first, which is super simple when you only have one drawer pull. To make this makeover as simple as possible, I brushed on some surface prep that cleans and deglosses to help the paint stick to the surface. This stuff works some kind of magic. It does a stellar job of cleaning. After scrubbing the laminate with some steel wool that I don't even know is necessary or correct, I rinsed everything off with a damp rag. Each time I rinsed the rag out, the water was so dark, so I ended up rinsing the rag and the tables multiple times until they felt really clean. Before painting, I taped off the little brass feet using green frog tape. This stuff does not let paint seep underneath. It's the best for creating crisp, clean lines when painting. We brushed and rolled on Heirloom Traditions paint in the color Cashmere. It's this nice, almost pure white. You might know that I hate brush and roller marks and the texture they leave behind. Okay, what is the secret to rolling this paint on without texture? I tried a new roller and I tried not to roll over the same area too much, but there's still so much texture. I personally would much rather spray this paint on because I'm OCD about texture. But for those of you who don't mind and don't notice the tiny little bumps all over the surface, this project is for you. After I had 3 coats on, there was a problem. A spot of bleed through on both of the shelves. So I sprayed the spots with a little bit of spray can primer to block the stain. Waited 24 hours for it to seal, and then gave it another 3 coats of paint before I had complete coverage, because whites are the hardest to get full coverage with. So there's another vote for spraying, because if I had sprayed it on with our cheap sprayer, it would have taken 2, maybe 3 coats to get full coverage, and it would have taken a lot less time. With the painting done, I pulled off the tape around the little brass feet and tried to clean up the hardware, but it isn't real brass. So I dug through my hardware and found this cool adjustable pole that fits existing hardware holes from 2 inches to 8 inches. So I didn't have to fill in the old hardware holes to change the hardware. I can't even begin to describe how amazing this invention is. I love the new look and how easy it was to put on. So remember, here's what the tables looked like before: a mismatched pair of wood end tables with laminate tops. They were dark and boring, and here's what they look like now. The little gold feet stand out now against the white paint. These sat in my garage for a very long time. I just was not inspired by them. They were just basic tables that I didn't think would be very cute painted. Boy, was I wrong. They are so adorable now. If you are working on your very first project, please don't use white. Use a medium or darker color so you only have to paint the normal 2 to 3 coats on. These tables turned out beautiful, and honestly, you can't even see the texture in the paint unless your face is like 6 inches away from the surface. I hope this inspires you to try a project like this for yourself. Don't forget to show off your finished pieces. I would love to see them. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. Otherwise, hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more DIY inspiration. Are you confused and not sure where to start with your furniture makeover? Don't worry, I got your back. Click the link in my comment to download our free painting checklist so you can paint your furniture as if you hired a professional to do it.